I have this XOX brush and it's time for me to change the brush here. As you can see, it's dirty, it's old. So I've got this from Amazon and they are compatible with the XOX brand. So let's change it together. It's super easy to do it. It comes in 4 brushes, so you have plenty of new brushes. That's how you change it. You open it from here. Just need to push it from here like this and it comes off. It slides off like that, and then you install the new brush and let me show you. It just clicks in. This is the new brush. This is amazing. I've got another 3, so I have plenty of extra new brushes. This is the brand Cozy Land. It's really good and it works perfectly. Also, like, it works with dispensing the with dispensing the soap. It works perfectly with dispensing the soap. It does dispense it so you can clean. This is an amazing brush and this replacement brush head is perfect. I hope you like it and I hope you use it and enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Cheers.